Welcome back to the channel, Tech Warriors. Are you tired of seeing that annoying Windows 11 message telling you you're almost done setting up your PC even though you've already done everything? It pops up again. And again. And again. Well, today we're putting an end to it. Once and for all. Let's jump right in. Every time you boot up Windows and see that message, click Remind Me Later just to get past it. Next, head to Windows Settings. In the Settings menu, go to System Notifications. Scroll down to find Additional Settings under the Suggestions section. Click the arrow to expand it, uncheck all the boxes under that section. You can also turn off suggested notifications completely, highly recommended. Make sure all those extra notification settings are disabled. Once you've done that and reboot your PC, that message will never bother you again. Hopefully this helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you, or if Microsoft tries to sneak it back in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next fix.